if you are still using GitHub pages to deploy your static application, then in this video, I'm going to show you a better alternative for it. Here I have a basic React application created using Vue. It's a very basic news application where we display the news and we also have a very basic pagination, and it is a fully static application. We don't have any server actions, so it's a fully static application. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how we can deploy this React application inside our Cloudflare pages absolutely for free. Now before starting, you need to visit cloudflare.com. From there, you need to create a free account. If you already have an existing account, then you can simply log into your existing account. After you are logged in, you will be getting this kind of interface. From here, you need to visit the build compute option. Here you will find workers and pages. Click here. If you have existing applications, then it will be listed here. We'll be focusing on creating a new application. For that, click on create application. Since our Vue React app is fully static, for that we don't require any server actions, then we don't need a Cloudflare worker. Instead, we'll be using the pages option. So here we'll click here, looking to deploy pages, click on get started. Now here we can either link with any Git repository or we can drag and drop our static files. Now this option is going to be more better because it will create a simple pipeline. Let's say if I do some changes and push it inside GitHub, it will automatically update and push the new changes and I don't need to do any manual steps. So for this, I'm choosing this option. Since I had already pushed this inside GitHub, I need to select the application from GitHub and click on begin setup. Here we need to set the framework. Our framework is Vue. You will find that option. This is React Vue. And here it's also giving us the command npm run build. So it's correct, and our build is inside the dist folder, so it's also correct. Now if we need to do some changes, then you can add it. If you also need to pass some environment variables, then you can also do that. Here we don't require any environment variables. Just save and deploy. Now it is just pulling our code and building our code. And now our application is ready. We can copy this link and open it in new tab. In this way, we have just deployed our news application as a fully working news application. Now if you want, you can also add your custom domain. But before adding custom domain, make sure that the domain is present inside your Cloudflare account. If I want to make it like news app and my domain that is there, since this domain is already inside my Cloudflare account, I can simply activate this. Now, one thing you need to make sure that you're in Cloudflare pages, you can only deploy static application. And if you want to use the GitHub option to set up an automatic pipeline, then you can use that. Else, you can drag and drop your build website application directly inside Cloudflare pages and it will host for you. Now it has just verified my domain. Now if we visit this website instead of this, we'll also find it's the same website with our own custom domain. So now in this way we have just built our own news application. Now you can also use this option to deploy your static React application inside Cloudflare pages.